Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are all staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of the strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the word, and your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Insect. Insect. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Insect. Insect. Good job, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called Zak and Zee. So here is our book on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Zak and Zee. In this story we have Zak Bug and Zee Bug. Two green bugs sat in a tree. One was Zak, one was Zee. Zak had big yellow eyes, bigger than a dragonfly's. Zee's bug eyes were very small. He did not see well at all. Zee saw a bug. He called out, "Hi!" The other bug did not reply. "Oh," Zee said, "I wonder why. Why that bug does not reply. Maybe he just did not hear." So Zee shouted in his ear, "Would you like to come to tea? Come and have some tea with me." Still the bug did not reply, so Zee had another try. "Would you like to come to tea? Come and have some tea with me." "That's my tail," Zak said softly. Zee turned very red. "My eyes are on my face," said Zak. "You keep talking to my back. I do not see well, it's true, but I can fly as well as you." The two bugs flew away to play. Zak's eyes helped them find the way. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or Oxford Owl has the play button where they will read it for you. This week we're going to be doing another word search. I will give you the link in your portfolio, and all you need to do is click the link. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You just need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun.